Hey guys, so if your speaker is not working and it doesn't have any sounds, just go to the controller panel, sound, and playback. Tap on the speakers, set it to default, and you can see it doesn't have any voices either. What you're gonna do is you have to stay in the controller panel, go to the device manager. Yeah, let me find it a bit. Device manager, and go to the sound, video, and game controllers. Open on it, and it has a part. Find the Realtek or audio. Just click on it, and then uninstall the device. It just says that you have to restart the PC. It's automatically goes to the BIOS and reinstalled it, and yeah, you have the voice here. Don't forget to subscribe.